So today I want to show you how to size a digital stamp. So let's open. I use Publisher. You can use Word or any other program you might have. So I open up a blank document. So now here I have my blank document, and then I open up my folder where I have everything saved. So in this case it's in my D drive. Here's my besties. So now from here I can drag over my image. So there's two ways to size your image. If you look here at these circles, you can grab it with your mouse and then move it to the size you want. So to me that's like guesstimating your size, but it works. The other way to do it is to pull over your image. Now you're going to, with your mouse, right click, and you're going to get this list of options. I go down to Format Picture. Then here up on the top you go to Size. Now where it says 9.9, you highlight that and change it to 4 inches is what I normally do, but sometimes you want it smaller or maybe a little larger, and then click OK. And now you have that image 4 inches. So let's go over to this one that I sized the other way. We're going to right click on it, go to Format Picture, and check the size. So this is like 4.5. So you can click these arrows and go down. You never get to the actual 4.0. So if you want it 4 inches, I mean it's close enough, but change it to 4. Say OK. So let's do that one more time. Let's pull in. Let's get the one. Let's go to a Patreon image. Let's see. Let's go to my Patreon folder. You can tell I've purchased a lot of images. So where's the one I did tonight? Or this morning actually. Here's the one. So I'm going to click on it, drag it over. I'm going to right click, Format Picture, click on Size. Now this is 6.4. I'm going to go down to 4. And then I would move it. Now this one's a little wider than other ones, so if I was going to print out 4, I'd probably put this nice little skinny one there and then go choose another one. Let's do her. So over, right click, Format Picture, Size, change it to 4, say OK, and then move them into place. So you want to be able to cut your cardstock in quarters. So what I would do with this one's going to be a little larger, so I would cut my paper in half, and then this one would be a little smaller. And usually you either cut them out or do something with them, so it all works out. So that's how you do it. And this you would just click Print, which on this program is File, Print, and then it shows you that's how it's going to print. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.